Excited to be here. We haven't raced here since 2014. I actually did a riding school here a month or two ago, so I'm kind of familiar with this layout, the new layout of the track. It looks super good today. After practice, they're tilling it up now. Still got some moisture in it. It's a little soft in spots, but man, does it look fast and fun. Just looks like a really flowy track, a lot of jumps. I'm excited. Hopefully I can finish off the year on a good note in the center of the box and you know, just end happy and go to Pro Stock Day Sunday and try to clinch that championship, because I know we're right there for that championship as well, and you know, we just want to finish the year off strong and try to clinch one of these championships.
The finale this weekend, we're sitting really good in points, and going back to the last time we were here, I had a very good racing. I went 1-1, and brings back some good memories, but man, I'm really looking forward to this weekend. I want to have a strong performance and try to close out this championship, and it's been a great year, and it's been fun. I'm looking forward to having fun here this weekend at Briarcliff, and hopefully we bring a lot of fans and enjoy some good racing. Track looks like it got pretty rough in a couple spots, so I'm looking forward to that, and see if we can make our way around this thing tomorrow. Sealed up my 8th championship. It's incredible, man. So blessed on this opportunity, and everybody that helped me out through the years to get to this point. And my Whedon Motorsports Yamaha was awesome this year, and just so consistent. Just much love to my whole team, everybody behind me, and just loved every moment of it. And I'm excited for what's ahead, and just awesome. I'm going to take this one in, enjoy it with friends, family, and fans, and enjoy it. Thank you.
Just got to try to eliminate them bad races and make the bad ones, make them somewhat good next year, or make them, no bad races. Just got to eliminate some mistakes and get a little more consistent. So, if something does happen, I have a little cushion. But, super happy with my performance all year. Props to Chad with the 8th championship. Guy's a legend of the sport. So yeah, just happy with my performance. Got some work to do. We're gonna come back 2022 strong and try to grab that championship.
Kind of funny how I got the 2 podiums this year. Once the first race opening round and then the last race the season ender. So feels good to end on a high note. I'm happy. Keeps my head high coming into the off season and going into 2022.